Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. So in this video we want to take a look at how the Aave price reversed and escalated out of our support area. Absolutely amazing, and I think we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside, indicating a trend change could be occurring. Same situation with most coins, of course. Most of them have reacted to our support area. Now I don't want to pretend everything went well here with Aave, because Aave did, before we reversed in this support area, it broke below our previous setup or support area, which we had, I think. Did it actually? I need to double check that. I think it did. Yeah, it did. Because support before was $70. Now it did come down in the end to 64. But then we were quick to adjust the count, which is always helpful, because with Elliott Wave, when one wave count breaks or one setup breaks, you immediately have the next one that provides the next opportunity. And it was good we did that, because now with Aave, it seems like we've got a possible 5-wave move to the upside off the lows of our trend reversal area here for this particular setup, which is at the moment, and that's how I'm counting it, a 1-2 setup. So I've got 5 waves off the December low into February, and then a 3-wave correction down, as you can clearly see. And now a possible, on the micro level here, on a smaller time frame, we've got a possible 5-wave move to the upside. So anybody who entered in the support area, all you need to do is risk manage. That's entirely up to you. I think here everybody's happy now across the market. Really, really good day. But the point is, a lot of people are then asking for, when is the next, when do we come back? When is the next time to enter? Now, I always have to say, when you enter is entirely up to you, because some people are breakout traders, some people are pullback traders. I like to buy these pullbacks. I did buy quite a fair amount this, last weekend. Not Aave, other coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, because as I highlighted, this is a key opportunity here. These support areas that we currently have on the chart, they don't appear every day like that. And if it works out, we could get an alt season. So maybe the alt season has started. It's a bit too early to really confirm that, but we can make that assumption at the moment based on the view that we had a 3-wave move to the downside into support. It did hold, and we're now moving up in a 5-wave move. What I'm waiting for now is the pullback in a wave 2. Maybe I'm going to scale up some of the positions. We'll see. I cannot give you a pullback target yet, because we have no confirmed top in place. It might very well happen that we get a top today, but I don't necessarily expect it today. If we find a top, and again, we haven't really seen a confirmation yet, even though on the lower time frame here we can count 5 waves. But these can always extend out. These can always extend out. And if I'm measuring now off the lows to the high, then the critical support that Aave now needs to hold to enable further upside is the 78.6 retracement. We talk here about $68. As long as it's holding this now, it can give us that 3rd wave. Now, the target might shift depending on how high we go now in this wave 1, as you can see. So it's always that 78.6 retrace, which will, in this particular wave count scenario, be important. Yeah, because if we get the 5 waves up, we're now waiting at some point here for the 3 waves down. Now, this now occurred within 3 to 4 days. So rally could be over of that wave 1, shortly at least. Shortly, we've now run into resistance here, those previous highs. But so far, I have no strong indication it has stopped. It's very simple. And due to the structure here of that last swing high, I really need to see a break below $74 to say that the uptrend is over. If that occurs, then we need to be watching this support area. And if it holds the 68.19 level or $68 level, then we can get a 3rd wave to the upside that could then take us way above $100. And that's sort of where we are. If we zoom out a little bit and see this really as a wave 1 to the upside here, and this as a wave 2 to the downside, what would be the target of that circle wave 3? Because this is really, I think, what a lot of people are waiting for, sort of really a strong 3rd wave rally, which certainly is possible based on the current wave structure. I don't want to make hype people up too much, but it is certainly possible. And the 1.618 extension would take it to $134. Now I also promised someone to look at the all-time high target in the next bull run for Aave. Now it's a bit too early to really talk about the bull run, but no, I need to go to for that I need to go to a different chart. So I think, is Binance a longer? Yeah, Binance has the longer chart history. So here, if I take here the Fib extension tool, a measure of the low to the high. We don't take that high, yeah, but we go to this one, which was in February 21. And then I go to the latest low, and that gives us just a guideline for next all-time high target. So if I count this here as a wave 1 to the upside, the move down as a wave 2, the next rally should be a larger third wave, would take us to at least $1,000 based on this wave count in a third wave. If we don't get there, it's not a third wave. Then this 1.618 is, however, for a third wave really only the minimum, so it could even go higher. 200% extension is common as well. We talk about $1,300, but even then, depending on how a bull run will work out, you really talk about possibly even higher. But that would be a third wave target. We should then get a fourth and a fifth, and that fifth wave could take it to 1,680. That would be a textbook target. But yeah, so far it is looking good for Aave. Got a 5-wave move up, 3-wave move down expected at some point here. Let me go back to the Coinbase chart, and key level is the $68 level. Be aware that this pullback could start now imminently, but for now there is no sign it does. The fact that we're in the overbought range is not a problem. What you typically see towards the end of these rallies is a bearish divergence. Now we haven't seen that yet. We had something here where you also peaked and made new highs in that on that 1 hour RSI. And then here, just before we came down, we saw the first bearish divergence. So keep looking for that. Okay, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.